Hi, nice to see you at Garfin's Creation. Let's make some whole wheat eggless brownies. You'll find the recipe in the description box below. To start with, let's prepare the pan. This is 8 by 8 cake pan and I've taken a parchment paper bigger than the size of the pan. These overhangs will help in pulling the brownie out once baked. Cut the four sides of the parchment paper as shown. Fold the four corners and place the parchment paper into the cake pan. We'll keep this aside and now let's prepare the brownie batter. This is 3/4 cup dark chocolate. It's around 120 grams. And I've taken 3/4 cup of room temperature butter, around 115 grams. Microwave this for 10 to 20 seconds till it's melted. You can also use a double boiler for this. Stir the chocolate and butter mixture till it's still warm and gradually it will get fully melted. The chocolate is fully melted now and the mixture is still warm. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of brown sugar, that is 180 grams, into the chocolate mix. Stir the mix for a few seconds and then we will let this mixture cool down completely. We will let this cool down completely for some time. After a few minutes, this is completely cooled down. I'll be transferring it to a larger bowl. Mix it again a little while and add half a cup of milk now. As we keep stirring, the sugar will get melted and I'll be adding another 2 tablespoons of milk, so that will be a total of 125 ml of milk. So I have added a total of half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of room temperature milk into this mix. Keep stirring it till the sugar is fully dissolved. To this we'll be adding the dry ingredients. I have taken 1.5 cup of whole wheat atta, that is around 190 grams, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Combine all the ingredients well now and keep scraping the side of the bowl too. Mix all the ingredients well and this will take around a minute for all the ingredients to get combined well. Keep stirring till you get a ribbon-like consistency. You can add a little more milk if you feel your batter is too dry. Whole wheat flour differs from place to place, so to get the ribbon-like consistency, you can add a little more milk. Now using a spatula, scrape the sides and the lower part of the bowl too. This will ensure everything is mixed well. Adding some walnuts into it. This you can take around 20 to 30 grams of walnut, chop it finely and add a teaspoon of atta in it. Now put this into the brownie batter and give it a quick mix. Adding walnut into it is completely optional. I have kept some walnuts for the top decoration too. Using the cut and fold method, just give it a mix and now we pour it into the prepared 8 by 8 cake pan. You can also use a brownie pan over here, those which you get with those individual slots where you don't need to cut it later. This whole wheat atta brownie is so simple and easy to make too. And it's so delicious too that no one would guess it is made of atta. Spread the batter evenly, especially the corners. This is a good recipe if you want to avoid using maida or all-purpose flour in a brownie. Now this is evenly spread. Tap the pan for a few times so that all the air bubbles are released. So here are some whole walnuts I'll be placing on top. I've taken a total of 50 grams of walnuts. In place of walnuts, you can also add roughly chopped chocolates here. Now this will be baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees with lower coil on for around 30 to 35 minutes. It took me around 35 minutes to bake this. Insert a wooden skewer and check if it's done. Let the brownie remain in the pan on the cooling rack for around 20 to 25 minutes, and once you're able to handle it, catch the side handles and pull the paper out along with the brownie. And now let this cool completely before we could cut it into pieces. Once completely cold, you can cut it into desired pieces. I'll be dividing this into large 9 pieces. You can also make smaller pieces of it. Clean the knife if it gets sticky and then continue cutting it. These brownies are a perfect gifting idea. You can cling wrap these individual pieces or also use small cookie pouches and give them as a gift for any occasions. These delicious looking brownies are ready, and that tells you how tasty they are. You wouldn't miss the all-purpose flour here. Do try this recipe with the whole wheat flour and you will surely like it. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe, like, share and comment. And see you soon in the next upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.